I take a start with the name of Allah Almighty, who is the most gracious and the most merciful. Welcome to all the students of 10th class. I hope you will be fine and you are enjoying your lectures. Now we are going to start our math subject. As we have discussed about quadratic equation and some methods of solving the quadratic equation, which are factorization method and completing square method. Today we will discuss how to find the quadratic formula from the quadratic equation. As we know that the standard form of quadratic equation is ax square plus bx plus c equal to 0, where a not equal to 0 is the necessary condition. Now we will explain how to derive the quadratic formula from this equation. Here is a derivation of quadratic formula by using completing square method. First of all, we will write the quadratic equation as ax square plus bx plus c equal to 0. Dividing each term by a in this equation, we will get x square plus b over ax plus c over a is equal to 0. Now we will move the constant term to the right side from this equation. The constant term here is c over a. So by shifting constant term to the right side, we will get the next equation as x square plus b over ax is equal to minus c over a. Now we have to add the square of b over 2a on the both sides of the above equation. So we can write x square plus b over ax plus square of b over 2a is equal to minus c over a plus square of b over 2a. Now we can write this equation by using completing square method. We can use the formula of a square plus 2ab plus b square equal to a plus b whole square. So we can write this equation as x plus b over 2a whole square is equal to b square over 4a square minus c over a. From the above equation, we expand the square of b over 2a on the right hand side. So we write b square over 4a square in place of b over 2a. Now by taking the LCM on the right hand side, we will get this equation x plus b over 2a whole square as it is, which is equal to b square minus 4ac over 4a square. Now we will take the under root on both sides of this equation. So we can write under root x plus b over 2a whole square is equal to plus minus under root b square minus 4ac over 4a square. As we know that square and under root are cancelled with each other, so we are left with the equation x plus b over 2a is equal to plus minus b square minus 4ac under root over 2a. By taking the term b over 2a on the right side, we will get the equation as x equal to minus b over 2a plus minus under root b square minus 4ac over 2a. By taking the LCM on this equation, we will get the value of x as minus b plus minus under root b square minus 4ac over 2a, which is our required quadratic formula. We can solve our questions by using this formula. In exercise 1.2, we have to solve the question number 1 by using quadratic formula. The equation here is 2 minus x square is equal to 7x. This equation is not in standard form. First of all, we will convert this equation into standard form. For this, we will write all the terms on one side, as we can write 2 minus x square minus 7x is equal to 0. By arranging these terms, we can also write